Hey, boys and girls, my name is Miss Martin, and we're going to get started with today's number talk. Before we get started with our number talk, let's scoot over here to this little board and let's talk about some of our vocabulary words. Our first vocabulary word is place value, and that's just talking about the value of each digit in the number, whether it is in the tens or whether the number is in the ones, and how much that number is worth or how much each digit is worth for that number. Then we have number two, which is number. The number is just a basic unit that we use in math. And a number can be made up of digits. And we've used that vocabulary word digits many times. A number is simply 1, 2, 3. And then we have the next one, which is ones. And that is the smallest unit with place value. It is just ones. It's just one little cube. And then we have tens. That is the next area of place value. It goes from ones to tens. And that's when you have 10 little ones and then you group them together in a 10 stick. Now, expanded form. I have a really easy way to remember the word expanded form. So you take that whole number and you expand it. You stretch it out. You have your tens added to your ones, and then it equals your whole number. Number 6 is standard form. Now, standard just means normal. So when you write a number in standard form, you write it the normal way. So if you look down here, our number of the day is 71. That number is written in standard form. Now, our number of the day is 71. Now, let's think about ways that we can use 71. How can we represent 71? Let's see. What about on a place value chart? That's a good idea. So what we're going to do here, we took the tens and the ones, look at us using those vocabulary words, and broke down that standard number, that number that is written in standard form. So if you have the number 71, you have tens and then you have your ones. So you have tens and ones. How many tens are in 71? There's 7 tens, and then there are 1 ones. Then there are 1 ones. Okay, so let's keep going. Let's see, what other way can we show 71? Now look at that number sentence at the top. We used expanded form. Now, expanded form, like I said, you take that number and you stretch it out, the whole number, and then you stretch it out. So you have 70, because 7 doesn't mean 7, it's in the tens place. 7 means 70. So you have 70 plus your ones equals your whole number. So 70 plus 1 equals 71. Now, since we're doing a number talk here, I thought we could take it one step further. So you looked at this symbol and that's your plus symbol. That means you put them all together. Now here, I want us to switch it up. We're going to do subtraction, which means to take away. And when you're doing a take away problem, you take away from that whole number. And our whole number was 71. And let's practice taking away the ones. So let's say you have 70, 71, and you're going to take away those ones, okay? So then you have 71, that's your whole number, take away your ones, and that leaves you with your 70. So you had 71, you took away the number in the ones group, and that left you with 70, which also means 7 tens. Now, right over here, we have a little picture known as a number bond. Now, your number bond takes your whole number and you stretch it out. You break it down into a group of tens and some ones. So our whole number was 71. Now that 7 is in the tens place. It doesn't mean 7, it means 70. So you look at that 7, I know what that means. Bring down your 70, then you check your ones place. What number's in your ones? Now what digit is in your ones place? Got to use those vocabulary words and bring down your ones. Good job. Now let's keep moving and grooving. Now I know what that's called. That's called a 10 stick. And I know when I'm trying to think about a number, I can represent it with 10 sticks or a tens drawing. So now let's count to show 71. So that's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, and you got to switch gears because we got to have 71. So 71. Good job. You guys did a great job today, and I'm very proud of you. Now, there are many other ways that you can show this number, and you can actually show this number with tally marks. You could do it with Fruit Loops all over your table. There are many ways to show 71. Good job, guys.